Hello guys and welcome to Tech Guru Academy. Today in this video I will show you how to secure your Instagram account by enabling two-factor authentication method in by using Windows 10. Yes, you can secure your account in from Windows 10. So let's see how to do that. So on search bar in Windows 10 click Store and it should start Microsoft Store. On in search box here just type Instagram and you should see Instagram. So I've already installed this app. So just you need to install and click on launch here. So now you just need to log into your Instagram account and then you just need to click on profile and then settings and then go to two-factor authentication and then swipe right to or just click on this and it should you should say the turn this on. Yes, turn on. Now it will ask you to just enter the verification code they sent you on your mobile number. So if you want to change the number, you can click here, change it. Okay. So let me wait for my verification code and wait. So guys, I just typed my verification code and you just need to do the same and click on done here. And now you should see some security codes which you should save. So just click on OK and everything is done as you can see. So this is how you can secure your account from Windows 10 by using Windows 10. I hope you like this video. If you do, then make sure to like this video and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.